Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and let me share with you how to change a video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Right here in this panel with the options, right in the middle we've got the resolution, so let's simply tap on it, and as you can see in this device we've got two different options. So the FHD, which is currently applied, we can see it because it is highlighted, and HD. So let me choose HD, and as you can see after tapping on it, it will be immediately applied, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.